Welcome to Performance Scoring's Performance Management application, designed for your organization to increase performance through the measurement of factors that lead to success at each role. As employees, you drive the business, and our application will prioritize your development through better engagement and objective data. Performance Scoring is a mobile-responsive, web-based application that is accessed at yourcompany.performancescoring.com. You should have already received a password creation email from Performance Scoring. Once logged in, your homepage will be My Performance Score. This is a real-time display of your performance score by scorecard category and your overall performance score for the last 30 days. The performance score is relative to your peers within each category and is based on all entries for that category. You will be able to view your development and growth for any time period with a date range filter. This means visibility into month-over-month development, giving you confidence and ownership in your performance and how your supervisor views your performance. To score a user, first select the Add New Entry tab on the left side of the screen. Select the scorecard category, username, and factor. Factors are the building blocks of the application. They are ever-evolving objective measurables grouped by scorecard category and valued by your company. Factors give you an objective understanding of how the company goals and values align with your job responsibilities. The reference ID is an optional field used to tie the entry to your organization, such as an invoice number, lot number, or job number. Finally, enter any additional notes. Be as specific and detailed as needed, and click Add New Entry. Entries can be edited for 24 hours from the Scorecards tab, then only the notes can be modified. If an entry needs to be changed after 24 hours, notify support@performancescoring.com. The user profile page contains important company information for each user, such as name, dates of employment, and who they report to. Each user characteristic is important to allow performance scoring to mirror your organization. Therefore, as changes at the company occur, the user profiles should be updated to reflect them. Additionally, each company role has custom permissions set to determine access of the application's reporting features. Performance Scoring's reporting features are found in the Manage dropdown. The factor board is a tabled view of the entries that have been scored in the application. This gives you real-time visibility and feedback into which factors have been scored to you. If your performance score is not what you'd like it to be, access the factor board first to see what you've been scored in. Then, you'll be able to have an informed conversation with your supervisor about your performance score. The scoreboard displays the performance scores for the company, departments and teams, and individual employees. The org chart is your company's hierarchy, dynamically color-coded by performance level. The scoreboard and org chart provide insight into areas of high performance and the areas where improvements can be made at every level of the company. Performance scoring monitors employee engagement and participation at your company. The usage report focuses on employee participation and tracks the amount of times that each user has logged in, as well as how many times each user has scored another user. The factor board, scoreboard, and usage report are all exportable in Excel, CSV, and PDF files, or they can be copied or printed. The application also features scheduled email notifications of performance data to keep you up to speed at all times. Please reference the resources and support page of our website for more information and instructional videos on performance scoring. For additional support, contact us at support@performancescoring.com or chat with us on our website.